onearmedfishing.com. I'm having a blast. Except my arm. My arm's not happy. I'm back to using one hand again. When he first took off, that's all I could do to keep him from spooling me. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, is my hand shaking. Oh. Oh man, he did not like that. He seen me. Huh. He ain't not liking the boat, not liking me, not liking any of this. Well, I don't think I have to have a workout today, at least on one arm anyway. Oh, God. Oh, thing's kicking my ass. Got that lure pretty good. Trying to get him to get in the net, but he ain't wanting it. I'm gonna switch hands. This thing give me a tussle. It's got that lure pretty good. Lock. Sorry for any profanity, but it just comes out. You're not gonna be nice and swimming in that, are you? Trying to turn them. Yeah, got him. Oh, this fish is heavy. onearmedfishing.com.